Hello, how you doing? Back once again with what I call a nice midweek easy spaghetti. Nice and cheap, nice and easy. We've got chicken, vegetables, tomatoes, a little bit of chili in there for a little bit of spice. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. So just here I've got a chicken breast, a decent sized chicken breast cut into little chunks. Onion, I've got about 1.5 cups of onion, a tablespoon of garlic, and I've got 2 teaspoons there of chili powder. If you want, you could be adding some sort of oregano to this as well. And then the vegetables that you want to use is entirely up to you. I've got sweet corn, bell peppers, tomato, and zucchini. This is not all the ingredients. I'll show you as we go along, but yeah, let's get started with that. Okay, before we get started, get your pasta ready. Now I'm using spaghetti today. You want about 3 cups of a cooked spaghetti, up to you. Fusilli, tagliatelle, penne, up to you. Right, in here I've got 3 tablespoons of olive oil I'm using today. You can use a different oil if you want, and we're going to drop in that onion, which I've cut really small, as you can see. To that we're going to go straight in with the chicken as well. We're going to add some salt, some black pepper, and that tablespoon of garlic. And then we're going to throw this around. You can hear and see that we're on an above medium heat for about 4 minutes. Fabulous. Next up, we're going to go in with that fresh tomato. There's about 2 average sized tomatoes there. And we're going to add that chili powder. And if you don't want it spicy, then, you know, obviously don't put the chili in and put something else in. Basil, oregano, thyme, something like that, up to you. Now we're going to cook for about another 4 minutes or so. What we want is those tomatoes to break down a little bit. They might give off a little bit of moisture. You can see those tomatoes have broken down just a little bit. Now we're going to add our veg. Now the 3 veg that I'm using today, the courgette, zucchini, or kusa, whatever you call that, the bell peppers, and the corn, they're all going to kind of cook roughly at the same kind of rate. So just 3 minutes now, keep it moving all the time. Now of course you could be using different selection of vegetables to me. That's entirely up to you. Now I didn't show you this earlier, but we've now got here 1 can of tomatoes. That's a regular size can, 400 ml. That was a whole plum tomato, just chopped it really roughly. Nice little mix. Then what we're going to do is we're going to turn the heat down now to below medium. We're going to let it go for 5 minutes. Job done. Okay, beautiful. Really simple, nice and easy. Chicken and vegetables and a nice tomato there. Now I've got a little bit of parsley here. Just going to drop that in. Fresh basil or something like that could also work really nicely. Off goes the heat. And we're going to just stir that in. Now, I'm going to be serving this on top of my spaghetti, but you could put the spaghetti in there, or the pasta that you're using in there, and cook it with the sauce. Okay, and there you go. Really simple, nice and easy, midweek spaghetti. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.